Welcome to Eagle Terrace, a yard care included, gated community in Lakewood Ranch. This lovely 3-year young home was built by Neal Communities and offers the very popular Freshwater II floor plan. The welcoming front porch leads to the perfect right-sized home, having 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large open kitchen and family room, plus a flex room that can be used for formal dining, an office, den or playroom. Quality features include an en-suite master with spacious walk-in closet, dual sinks, a stand-up shower, built-in bookcases in the flex room, natural gas cooking appliances including a direct connect for gas grill, and an oversized screen lanai. The owners surely enjoy the neighborhood, and it was easy for they and their family to meet new friends. The community with 2 gated entries also enjoys a wonderful heated community pool, tennis court, doggie park and playground. The monthly fee of only $207 per month, and NO CDD fee, includes use of the amenities and yard care too.